page 13 of your interactive notebook, you should have some information on energy pyramids and the 10% rule. This triangle should be drawn with these dividing lines, which are our trophic levels. So first, let's label those. It doesn't ask you to do it, but just to make sure that you understand that this is trophic level 1. This one is trophic level 2. Here we have trophic level 3. And this one is trophic level 4. I did ask you to label the inside of these with these particular vocabulary. So the primary, which is also represented by this 1 with a degree symbol, producers, is trophic level 1. The primary consumers are trophic level 2. The secondary consumers are trophic level 3. And the tertiary 3 consumers are trophic level 4. In energy pyramids, they're going to give you an amount of energy that is available usually at the producer level. Here it is 10,000 J, which stands for joules, which is a measurement of energy. And the 10% rule states that only 10% of the energy at the lower levels move to the higher level. So we want to find out what 10% of 10,000 is in order to figure out how much energy would be available at the second trophic level or the primary consumer level, and so forth. Here are directions for calculating the 10% rule. All you have to do is take the number below the one you are finding and divide it by 10. The examples here says how much energy will be available at the second trophic level. So I'm interested here at the second trophic level, my primary consumers, and I want to know how much energy makes it to that particular trophic level. So I'm going to take the number below the one I am finding. So I'm provided this 10,000 joules. It is below the one I'm finding, and I'm going to divide it by 10. I can do this in a calculator. They will provide you one on the test if you need one. That's 10,000 divided by 10, because 10% is going to go on and is 1,000. Another way you can do this is, because it is a power of 10, all we need to do is move the decimal place 1 place to the left. So what that means is, at the second trophic level, or the primary consumers, the amount of energy available there is only 1,000 joules. Right? So we just labeled this energy pyramid with the trophic levels and the vocabulary for producer and consumer, as well as had the directions for the calculating the 10% rule, and in an example of how to complete this math to figure out how much energy will be available at the next trophic level.